In this video we will check whether a number is a prime number or not using a flag variable. So first we will ask the user for an input, enter a number. Okay, so this will ask the user to enter a number, and now let's make a flag variable and assign false to it. Okay, and now we'll make a if statement and check the prime number is greater than 1. Okay, so let's check for factor using a for statement. Okay, in range of, let's put 2 and the num as the argument. Okay, we'll make if statement if num percent I equals 0, so flag is equals true. So if factor is found, then the flag is set to true, and then we'll break out of the loop. Okay, so we'll check if the flag is true. If flag, and then we'll print the number, and then we'll put is not a prime number. Let's make else statement and we'll print number is a prime number. Okay, so let's run the program and see the output. So here there is an error, so we have missed the colon here. Okay, so now let me give tabs over here. So let's run it again. So here it is asking enter a number, so let's put 39. Okay, so you can see here the output is not a prime number. So we have checked if number is prime or not. So number less than or equals to 1 are not prime number. Okay, hence we only proceed if the number is greater than 1. Then we check if number is exactly divisible by number 2 to n minus 1. So if we find a factor in that range, the number is not prime, so we set flag to true and break out of the loop. Okay, so now let me put a comment. Okay, we will check the prime number or not using for else statement. Okay, for else statement. So let's put the number over here as, let's say, 963. Okay, we are not asking for user input, we have given the number. Okay, in the above case we have asked the user for the input, but here we have given the number as 963. So in range of 2 to num. Okay, and then we'll make a if statement if num percentage I equals 0, then we'll print num is not a prime number. Okay, we'll print again I, and then let's put times and num I, and then let's put is, and then number. Okay, we'll break out of the loop now. Now let's make else statement. Okay, we'll print num is not a prime number. Okay, num is not a prime number. So let's run. So let's put here 39 itself. So you can see here 963 is not a prime number. 3 times 3 to 1 is 963.